What's going on, guys? Cassie from Jeep Gear and Gadgets, and thanks for coming back to the channel. Now, on my last video, we started tearing down the LS. We got everything off, inspected it. Everything looks good to go. The engine is in good shape. So we're waiting on parts. That's kind of the problem right now. So instead of leaving just the heads, everything laying all over the floor, we mocked it up and threw it on. Nothing is actually mounted, okay? My kids have head bolts in here. So kind of got everything on. We painted the valve covers this beautiful red. It really makes just everything pop. Cleaned up the fuel rails, threw an intake on. We're gonna talk about all of this later because we're waiting on parts. Now, I did take some recommendations from you guys in the comments in the last video. A lot of you said the head gaskets over here in this kit we bought are trash, so we're trashing them. We got some new ones. We're going with different head gaskets. And I also got an oil barbell. Y'all talked about.
There were like 50 people.
I think everybody mentioned it, so I had to do it. So I went ahead and got those, but we are waiting on other parts. But this is not what we're doing in this video. 2 videos ago, I moved up to 37s on the Jeep, and I went with the Atturo Trailblade Boss tires. Now, I haven't taken you guys out to show you how the tires perform and how the Jeep performs with 37s on, so that is what we're going to be doing today. We're gonna go hit the trails, hit some dirt, and just kind of go have some fun. Now, I have some really exciting news. Atturo has partnered with the channel, and they're offering a $75 rebate when you purchase any 4 of the Trailblade series tires. It's all gonna be in the video description below. There's gonna be a link. You can go check them out. They've got, mud terrains, all terrains. They're like the multi-terrain tires. They've got 5 different options. So go down there, take a look, and the instructions for the rebate are going to be in that link as well. You get a $75 gift card to, I think, Amazon or Bass Pro. Now, these are already budget-friendly tires, so you're already getting a budget-friendly tire, and they're offering a $75 rebate. So I think it is a pretty good deal. Now, I'm also going to be doing a giveaway of my own in this video. I've got a little Atturo swag pack here. Got the water bottle, cool tire pressure gauge, and some other fun stuff, along with a $25 Amazon gift card. If you want to enter the giveaway, go down to the comments below and let me know what Atturo tire you would run on your Jeep. Before we go on that, earlier this morning, it's been a good day. I've already been covered in like anti-seize and all kinds of other gunk because Ben had to change out his tie rod this morning.
Moved up with an aluminum setup, so this won't happen.
And check and see how bent this thing is.
It's crazy because this is, what, 1.5 DOM tubing, and the inside was filled with solid aluminum.
And you managed to
bend it. So
bend it, mess it up.
We got a new aluminum tie rod on the JK.
And it looks really good.
Already has aluminum tie rod.
I do. But his looks really good, so I'm going to show you guys really, really quick. Look how shiny and beautiful this thing looks.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so let's get ready to go hit the trails.
Okay.
Yeah, water, wallet, let's go. We're going about 45 miles an hour right now. I've got the uppers on, part of the soft tops on, and I wanted to kind of share the road noise with you guys, although it's kind of hard to do. But from what I'm hearing, it's a little louder than the 35s I had on here before. But these are also an aggressive mud terrain tire, so I'm going to expect a little bit more noise, but that just means I'm being able to depend on the tire when I hit the trails and when I'm in those really difficult spots and need a beefier tire out there on the road, or on the trails, not on the road. But we're about 20 minutes from the trails right now, so I'm going to kind of put you guys off and let's go. So we made it out to our local wheeling spot. We are going to go hit some of the trails first and then go check out one really cool section that it has a lot of good flexing on it. So I'm excited to show you guys that. I've already done it a couple times and I just didn't bring you guys out here to show you. So let's get to it.
Very nice. Very nice.
She did good.
This would be a lot of fun when it's really muddy. Why, bugs? Where's the spray?
Come on, it's everywhere. It doesn't matter.
Mosquitoes.
It doesn't matter where the spray is. They're everywhere. So we got like the first 200 feet into the trail, maybe not even that, and when Ben got out to record, mosquitoes just like swarmed the Jeeps, like just sitting there, just mosquito heaven. So I have bug spray, but I'm really not into that, guys.
It wasn't working.
It wasn't working. We'll just hit out what's out here.
There's nothing over there, just trails.
It's just trails.
But it is pretty cool.
It is. We'll show you in
style.
like January when the mosquitoes are hopefully gone. So we're gonna hit this. Ben's gonna go up this obstacle right here, and I'm gonna see if I can follow him after.
All right. This is right around the spot last time where I clogged your exhaust pipe.
Yes.
That was one of these mounds.
So we brought a spare Jeep just in case something silly happens again.
I think I'm just gonna have to straddle the hump, right? Woo. All right, now it's your turn.
Pretty much made it.
Oh yeah, that's really narrow. You can't see, but it's like right here.
I've not wired up the lockers yet. That's another video.
Yeah, that's a whole nother video. I back up. All right, back up a little bit and maybe move a little bit passenger. Straighten them out. Oh man. Uh-oh.
Maybe we should just go back home, scratch the video.
And put wire the lockers in.
Yeah.
You'll be fine. I guess next thing to do would be straddle it a little more.
I'm gonna cheat.
Yeah, I think if you go, yeah.
How am I looking up there?
Good. Let me hop in front of you because this is where it feels sketchy.
Well, it looks sketchy, and I feel like I'm just as far over as you were, but I don't flex like you do.
So what you can't really see on the GoPros, there's a huge drop off right here.
Ben wants to attempt to jump a little jump, so just gonna see what happens, see if he's just gonna send it and fly a little bit. It's hard to see on the camera, but yeah, right here, boom. He did it! All 4 tires literally came off of the ground. That's great. Ha. Again.
Oh, that hurts.
Did it?
How far did they get off the ground?
They both got, I can't give you a size. I was watching it through a GoPro.
That like hurt. Like boom. Oh man, I don't know. Next time I think we have to air down the tires really low, and I should probably put the shocks on the stiff setting.
Yes.
Because I think they just bottomed out completely.
We made it over to the spot that has a lot of really good flex spots. Yes, the flex spot.
The flex spot.
Spot of flexing.
Yeah.
The issue though is that I don't have my lockers turned on yet, so
too good of a flex.
like if it's too good,
You're just not gonna go anywhere.
It might make it a little difficult, but we're gonna see what I can do.
It's worth a shot.
Nice and slow. It's a pretty gnarly drop off.
Am I good?
Yeah.
That's what I heard. I was like, who is that?
Getting it. He's showing off.
OMG.
That looks a lot more fun.
We should go get jet skis tonight instead.
You want to rent jet skis?
Let's do it.
All right. Oh, you're teetering. Oh yeah. Uh-oh.
I'm gonna go hop a ride with that guy.
You're just gonna leave me? Oh.
Just kidding. So I got a winch out of here. I don't have lockers. Lesson learned. I need to go home and do that next. Now I haven't used the Badlands winch on this channel yet. We have used it a lot. It is fantastic. I haven't had any issues with it, and we've used it quite a few times, but we never have the GoPro with us to show you guys. So first time using it on here. We are going off-roading later this month. I'm not going to say where or anything, but we do have some trips planned, and I hope that I can use the winch a little more just to show you guys how great it is. All right, don't let me forget my phone.
Yeah.
There. Been there, done that. All right, let's get it pulled out. Oh, pull it, thank you. Thank you.
Guess what you forgot?
My phone, oh my God, thank you. All right, that's going away. I don't want to forget it.
Hold up. All right, you can probably drive. Nice. Yeah, you just needed a little help.
I need a little bump. You gotta just push from the back.
Probably. All right, so we'll clean this up. Maybe find some flex spots where you won't actually get stuck.
Let's do that.
Here we go. You can do the baby flex.
Shut up. Seems like the tires have pretty good grip. Let's go up a higher wall.
Send it.
We're gonna hit up one more spot before possibly calling it a day. Now, I know this isn't like the crazy East Coast, muddy, rocky, hills everywhere type of wheeling that Ben and I normally are accustomed to and normally show you guys, but that will be coming. It will be coming soon. And I also know that there are a lot of people who reached out after I posted the video of these Trailblade Boss tires, reached out and said they have them and they like how they perform. So that gives me a lot of hope for when we do get out there with these tires that they're gonna do pretty good. Ben is scoping out a spot, so let's go see what I think it. Oh no, the hurricane washed it out, didn't it?
No, this is a new spot that the hurricane washed out.
Washed in.
Washed in.
Oh boy.
Right now it's too much. I'll go show them. It's so in about a month this will be a fun spot. But come check it out. You hear that person shooting over there?
Yeah, they're over there. That's okay. I just didn't want to like.
I mean, clearly people come and shoot out here. We'll have to come out here and clean it one day. There would be unimaginable bags of trash.
Oh my gosh.
So, look at this. This is a huge washout.
Ooh.
But once these open up,
I mean,
get a
look,
little
that
wider.
one's like, I mean, all of them there.
Yeah. I saw this, I was like,
This
oh,
is
this
pretty gross.
So, I mean, it'd be cool to come in and then come through here, but right now it's just too narrow.
Yeah, I can't come in here. I can walk through this.
Yeah. One more storm and this will be a new fun spot.
What do they call legit question? A latrine.
A latrine is a bathroom.
I know, but didn't they like back in the day like dig holes?
I have no idea.
Like a latrine hole? No.
Maybe
I think I'm right.
Maybe somebody maybe somebody smart that's watching this
I'm
can
gonna Google it.
a latrine.
Isn't that what they're called?
It's like a trench.
Like a big, yeah, it's like a, okay, yeah, it's like a trench.
Trench and latrine. Oh my gosh. You need to pee or something?
I do, and I don't. Starting to wonder if maybe I would have been better off installing my air compressor and lockers and all that fun stuff today. But you know, this has been fun too. I mean, definitely this has been fun. Oh gosh, don't sound like that sounds bad. No, this has been a lot of fun. I always like coming out here on the weekends. It's a nice escape from the crazy work week. I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate. We're gonna head back to the house. I've been wanting to talk to you guys about something. I think I'm going to do a name change for the channel. I wanna go into details in the garage when we get home where the AC is. So let's get home and we can get going on that. All right guys, looks like someone got their Mercedes G-Wagon out here, an older one. Might be Dirt Lifestyle. Is Nate joining us out here today? Just kidding, totally kidding. Nate's great, his projects are great, his videos are great, but. Back at the house, got the garage doors closed. It's nice and cool in here. Now the Jeep performed really well today. 37s are a good fit for what it is built for. However, I do need to hook up the lockers. I need to get my switch pod in there. I need to get an air compressor for the front lockers. So I'm gonna be doing all of that really soon, especially because we also have a wheeling trip planned coming up and a second one in the works right now. And I think I'm gonna need my lockers for these trips that we have planned. Now we live down in South Padre, so it's kind of a long drive to go to any of the parks here in Texas. And it kind of prevents us from, you know, on a Friday night thinking, oh, let's just go wheeling tomorrow. I do miss that about being up in Virginia. But anyway, so cool stuff coming up. We're gonna go test the tires out in the rocks, and some dirt, and some mud, and some more difficult obstacles. Really looking forward to it. I'm also curious what the tread life is of this tire. So I don't have any personal experience with it. So I'm interested to see how long these tires will last, especially having a good mix of road time and trail time. Now don't forget about the rebate Atturo is offering you guys. If you're in the market for some new tires, purchase any 4 of the Trailblade series tires, you get a $75 rebate and an Amazon gift card or Bass Pro Shop gift card. It's such a good deal. It's probably one of the best priced tires with that rebate included on the market right now. So go check them out. Don't forget to enter the giveaway for the swag pack and the $25 Amazon gift card from me. Let me know what tire you would run if you could pick any of the Atturo Trailblade series tires. So another thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is changing the name of my channel. Now, I know Jeep Gear and Gadgets is the name. Jeeps is pretty much what I share, kind of all the projects I'm doing to my Jeep, but I want to be able to share other experiences that I have with you guys. So for example, 2 weeks ago, I was up in North Carolina visiting family and I went dirt bike riding. And I haven't talked about that much on the channel, but that's what I grew up doing. That's kind of how I got into off-roading. That's kind of where everything started for me, where my passion kind of lies. Like originally. So when I was 7, I got my first dirt bike, a little XR50, and I pretty much rode every other weekend up until I was about 16 or 17 years old. My dad and brother and me would go all the time. It's what we love to do. You know, we went to Brushy Mountain Motorsports Park about 2 weekends ago, and I got some footage. We were hit the trails, we had some fun, and I wanted to kind of share that with you guys, but I wasn't sure if it was kind of right, just because my channel name is Jeep Gear and Gadgets, even though, you know, I was on dirt bikes, I wasn't quite sure. So I think I'm gonna change the name of my channel, and I think I'm gonna go with Classy Cassie, just because that seems to be my tagline at the end of a lot of my videos. Now, if you have a better idea for a channel name, please let me know in the comments below, because who knows, I might just choose one of the names that you guys come up with, and I'll send you a little swag pack of some kind if I choose the name of the channel that you guys recommend. And also, I know this is a lot, we have a new toy. I haven't shared it with you guys yet. It's fun. It would go with the channel name change, kind of. It would just kind of, you know, bring up another, not hobby, but another experience that I want to share with you guys. So let me know in the comments below what you think. I asked a lot of questions in this video. Really sorry about that. But coming up, we are going to be working on the LS some more. We got to change out the cam. We got to put the heads back on, do all the head gaskets and all that stuff. So there is a lot to come up on the LS swap. We also need to put in the switch pod and get the lockers hooked up, and some other goodies will be coming very, very soon. As always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time, and my name's Cassie, and keep Jeeping classy.